Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel Happn Subscription. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we in the bottom left corner, sorry, we have the Explorer. We have where you can go and check out profiles. We have the Hub, the Map, we have the Likes, and in the bottom right corner we have the Chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel Happn Subscription. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So firstly, what you need to do, of course, is go to the top right corner of your profile. So go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. And then here, as you can see, you will have a lot going on. So you can go and click premium. So here to buy, of course, the premium first, the subscription. You may do that here. And here we have their subscription, which you can go and easily cancel if, of course, you need to go and cancel them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.